Sagutan natin to. What is the differential equation of the family of parabolas having their vertices at the origin and their foci on the x-axis? So this time, yung given ay yung solution. Actually, it's not directly given, pero that's the idea. And yung hinahanap ay yung differential equation. Yung mga choices ay differential equations. So sabi sa problem, family of parabolas, ito yung equation, y squared equals 4ax. Yung naka-square yung y, hindi yung x kasi nakahiga. Yung mga parabola na to, nasa x-axis yung foci nila. And yung a, yun yung parameter na magsasabi kung anong specific member ng family. And also yung sign niya, yung magsasabi kung parabola ay naka-open to the right or to the left. Kung positive si a to the right, kung negative si a to the left, mag-open si parabola. So, yeah, ito yung solution. Pinapahanap yung differential equation. Ito na actually yung sagot. Paano natin mapapakita na ito talaga yung sagot? Yung idea lang ay computein yung dy over dx nito and also yung dy over dx nito. And dapat mag-match sila. So, para makuha yung dy over dx ng given, solve for y muna. So, get the square root of both sides of the equation. And then, evaluate yung dy over dx at chosen values. Gawin natin 1 si a. It's just a constant. Mas convenient kung 1 ang pipiliin nating value ni a. And then, why not 1 na rin si x? So, pag in-evaluate ito sa calculator, yung sagot will be 1. Pakita natin na ganun nga. So, i-input yung function na 4x na lang kasi 1 naman si a. And then, evaluate at x equals 1. Yung sagot nga ay 1. So, ito na yung dy over dx na associated dito sa given. Computein din yung dy over dx ng mga choices. Pero dito, we're just going to work on the correct answer. And then, we're going to show na yung dy over dx nito will match. Yung 1 din na yan. So, solve for dy over dx. Kunting algebra lang. Ano ngayon si y? Ito yon, palitan si y. And then ngayon, evaluate ito at x equals 1 and a equals 1. And yung sagot niyan will also be 1. So, nag-match sila. Kasi nga ito yung tamang sagot. Pag ginawa ito for the other choices, kinumpute yung dy over dx, hindi yun magwa 1. So, ganun lang yung technique.